Welcome back. Another recording. Today is March 18th, Wednesday, and day 3 of your online learning. School is closed due to the coronavirus. However, we keep moving forward towards your academic goals, and right now we are going back to the beginning of the school year. But again, if this is a year or 2 years from now, well, another time, another place. But this is Unit 1, Standard Form B2, which is read, write, compare multi-digit whole numbers. So we have greater than, equal to, less than. Okay? Remember for your homework, daily homework, do imaginary reading a couple times, achieve 3,000, read several articles, read books. For math, work on your times tables, do Imagine Math. Remember, you get that free tutor to help coach you. So these problems are nice, but also doing the Imagine Math, it's going to cover all the 4th grade math standards, the Common Core standards, and more importantly, you have a tutor to help guide you. Okay? And then, as usual, take these math YouTube video notes. Thank you again for you guys posting your comments. Be safe. Make sure you wash your hands a lot. Okay, help out at the house. But remember to keep moving forward in your reading by reading books. Of course, stay informed. Watch the news. Watch CNN Student News as well. And enough on that because it's already been a minute. Let's go. All right, Math Grade 4, Unit 1, 2019-2020, practice problems. This is number 6. Enter the symbol, this should be a comma, less than, greater than, or equal to that goes in the box to make a true comparison. Okay, first off, let's go to what do I know? Okay, this is less than. Remember, if you take your left hand and you form an L, okay? Left hand stands for left, and then you squeeze it, that's the less than sign, okay? So I'm gonna go like this, L, left hand. So anytime you think that you have forgotten what the symbol is, okay, just put up your left hand. Well, that assumes that you know what your left hand is, all right? This one is greater than, and this one is equal to, okay? Keywords for this one are symbols, which we just covered, box, which is this right here, and then true comparison. Okay, so you have 3 choices. Now we are going back to the place value table, but since we are moving on to video number 6, here's how I train students to do this, to start moving faster. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. See that? So we write right on here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. However, we will do our place value table. TTH stands for 10,000s, and you move all the way down. And TH stands for thousands. Remember, we always have a comma there. H stands for hundreds. T stands for tens. And O stands for ones. Now, if you forgot all of those, remember, just go back to video recording number 1, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now, when you are comparing numbers, you always want to stack them. What do I mean by that? So I'm going to take 76,232. I'm going to write it here. 76,000, comma, 232. And I put it right in there. So I know there are 2 ones, 3 tens, 2 hundreds, 6 thousands, 7 10,000s. Then you take the other number, 5, 6, 2, 5, 3. Okay, first off, they have exactly the same amount of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay, so what else do I know? Both have 5 digits. All right. Now, the goal is to keep these recordings to about 6-7 minutes at the most, so I'm at 5 minutes. I got 1 minute to prove my answer. When you are comparing numbers, you want to start in the highest place value, which is 10,000s. Okay? So I come all the way to 10,000s. This is what matters the most. Okay? Notice how in the thousands place, the number is identical. Even in the hundreds place, the number is identical. However, there's more tens here than here. But I'm not worried about that because there are 7 10,000s here. There are 5 10,000s here. Now, here's what I know. I know that 7 is greater than 5. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See that? 7's greater than 5. I could do 7 dots, 7 markers, compare it to 5 dots, 5 markers, whatever. So therefore, if 7 is greater than 5, 76,232 is greater than 56,253. So I take the greater than sign and I put it in there. All right. Now, when I have students do this, sometimes they rush through it. Okay, and they forget to stack it because down the road, you might have 3 or 4 numbers and you have to put them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. Okay, so always put them in the place value table and then compare the greatest place, which in this case was 10,000s. Okay, hope that helps. Keep doing that homework. This is video number 6, but the first one for today on Wednesday. I will send out 4 more today, so we'll do 5 a day until every math problem is covered, all 125. And then we will move on to language arts and start doing academic vocabulary words and NVL. Because in the end, the best way to improve your reading is to read books. Okay, and then to be targeted for the academic work, go to Achieve 3000, and then the grammar, literacy, listening comprehension, go to Imagine Learning Reading. Okay, they all matter. All right, happy studying. Remember, post your comments. That was 7 minutes. Be safe. Wash those hands a lot. Okay, and study. Okay, keep learning because 5th grade will come sooner than you know it. And then it's next year. Bye.